like a little box and glass doors. One coil hanging in here. It's old school. You can see there, little Danfoss TXV. Danfoss solenoid. And thermostat. So I wanted to see. I just got here. I'm going to see if the stat will cycle the solenoid. I'm just listening for it. Yep. And I'll set that back where it was at. Alright, up to the roof it is to check the condensing unit. Should be it. This is the Pepsi condensing unit right here. See, it says 44A. Alright, because of the wind noise, I had to do voiceover. So, what we're getting into here is taking the covers off of this unit. Oh yeah, it's raining. A bunch of rain up in the hills too. We had a big storm to pass through yesterday. So we're gonna get into this unit here. Take the control panel off here. Listen, can you hear that? It sounds like a defrost timer. Okay, first thing I noticed, they ran a green wire for the switch leg off the time clock. We'll get into, oh yeah, there's no disconnect on this unit. Look at this. It goes through the conduit down to the ground, and it goes over to the other unit. They use that unit as a junction box, and then it goes down to the wall there. So we'll get into some troubleshooting on this unit here. All right, I'll get my meter set up here, and hopefully I can film and video this at the same time, and we'll go through this real quick. So I got to just start with the time clock, and we'll check for voltage across the time clock here. It should have 240 volts, and that's what we got. And then we can check it between the switch leg, and we should have 240 volts right there. Check it, and we do. So time clock's good. They're the same. We can go and check the switch is made. It's okay. The time clock's fine. Pressure switch next. We'll take a look at that. The pressure control. It's got a red wire going to it, and then 2 black wires. So this red is the hot. So between the red will be the hot. So between these two, we should have coming into it, and then we'll get the wire going back, and we'll see if this between here pressure switch is good. If it's good, it should read 0 volts. Same if that switch is made. Okay, there we are, 0 volts. So there's really nothing else left. Pressure is good. The only thing it leaves left is the contactor, the coil on the contactor. We'll have to check that next. So let me get and see if that contactor is any good. Let's see what we got. Connectors hooked up, and we got 240 volts, and our contactor is not pulled in. We'll do a little bump here. We got a bad contactor, which makes sense. We had a big old storm last night. Anything's possible. So I need to get a 3-pole contactor with the 208 230 coil off the truck and get that replaced, and let's see if we can find a breaker for this downstairs over there, and we'll get this thing up and fixed for this guy. Yeah, look at that. That's how the electrical goes. Through this unit has a junction box down here, and then everything comes down the side there. Let's see if we can find. Let's see if I can talk to the owner, if he knows which one. We'll get her unlocked and turned off. Right there she is, all back together, running. Full side glass. So there's a dead guy. Coil's toast on the old contactor. Pretty common, easy call, not too shabby. Got the defrost timer reset. Now we gotta go get stuck in traffic. I got an ice maker to look at. So we'll get over there and see what happens.